found the issue here. Take this off here. Typically the bearing should be in there. Instead, there's two bearings on one side. How thin they are. It should be like this. Not doubled up on top of each other. Got ran over by a train.